Alright, so after 10 days in Canberra, we've had a great time there. We've hit the road again and we've just come heading south and we've come down to Gundagai, and Ahsoka's pulling me around over here. We've come down to Gundagai because we're going to go and see the dog in the tucker box. Now, I came here probably when I was about Riley's age, I vaguely remember, and I'm pretty excited about going around to see it. Justine came here too, so looking forward to checking it out.
Alright, so we made it to Tumut. Yesterday was a pretty horrendous day when we arrived because I was absolutely exhausted, and we're put into a spot that was just super duper tight, like up the back there. Anyway, we did a full setup. I had meltdowns, ended up in tears. I was just over it because the dog was just an absolute nightmare and we were so tight beside people, and I was just so stressed out that the dog was barking and she was going to be annoying people. So anyway, crappy night, rained all night, all the leaves and everything on the roof all night. Anyway, today Tim got up and did Tim. Went and spoke to reception and they were absolutely amazing, and they got us onto an unpowered site where they managed to find us an extra extension cord, and they've still got us hooked up to power and water. So we are so grateful because, my gosh, it's not that the spot wasn't beautiful where we were, because it did, it backed on to what I'm about to show you now, but where we are now we have much better room. We can put the run up for the dogs, there's plenty of grass, and the site next to us is also another unpowered that doesn't generally get a lot of people. So check this out now. I look like crap because I haven't slept and I'm super duper tired, but it's nothing that rum can't fix. Look at that glowing in the sun. Riley's into his marshmallows. Tim's organising some dog sitting, I think, so we can actually go out and do a few things. But check this out. We've got the duck. The ducks just love hanging out. Everyone seems to feed it some special food. We don't have it at the moment, but the duck's just chilling. Dogs don't care. I think they've actually gone to sleep. Oh my god, this is why this is like happy hour for me, because the dogs are both sleeping. Look at this. How's the axe going?
It's great.
Did you want to show everybody what you did with the bit that
Where is it anyway?
Safety?
Well, it was an accident. I didn't mean to. I threw it into the fire, but it's okay.
What did you do?
Well, it got caught up in all the sticks that I was cutting, so...
You threw it into the fire?
But it's alright, you got it out. Justine to the rescue, again.
What's for dinner?
Chicken.
Chicken.
Chicken with the chicken over the fire.
Open fired chicken.
Look at the doggies.
I've already seen them. They're both being really good dogs. Leave them, don't distract them, do not wake them up. I'm very happy when she's sleeping, Riley.
Riley?
I've been staying at the same. I've been staying up all night. Everything I ever worked for, vanished in the blink of an eye. I've been asking every question, 'cause I haven't got a clue. Why's it gotta be me? What the hell am I
This chicken's ready.
supposed to do?
Good, baby.
It's ready.
Welcome to our laundry. Isn't this awesome? Everything's wet, it's raining outside and it's freezing cold. I had to bring all the washing back in here. Tim's doing a cheats curry.
Well, I was going to have sausages, but someone forgot to take them out of the freezer.
That was actually Tim, not me. I can't take any
Oh.
blame for that. He's telling me how he's going to eat these sausages tonight.
I was so looking
excited.
forward to them,
So excited.
and now we're just making a sheep's curry instead. So these are really
Which
good
is
though.
like barbecue chicken shredded because we didn't have any unfrozen chicken, and some leftover chicken, mushrooms, and then
pumpkin
my
and curry.
FODMAP green curry, leftover veggies from last night.
Pumpkin and curry? Yeah, you can.
Yeah, you can do whatever you want. It's your curry. Make it as you please.
I'm not going to put potato in there.
No, that would be a bit gross. Looks good though.
Awesome.
I actually think I might. I don't really eat a lot of curries. Just curry, even the FODMAP sometimes makes my tummy a bit upset, but me and Riley have our kebabs outside cooking in the cold with the dogs. So.
It's really cold.
You're in here in front of the heater in the diesel heated caravan. I'm outside in the freezing cold. I can't wear my jacket because it's really wet. I'm trying to get that to air dry in here.
The dogs had a lot of exercise today.
The dogs are stuffed. Although I did just go out there and Millie thought she was getting more food, but anyway, I can't wait to see how this turns out. Riley's still on screens amongst our laundry. Anyway, if I can find my way out.
You could get to a point where all the mess in the caravan just start to forget about it. I think I'm almost at that point.
Do you know what?
And all that stuff is mine.
Today is a day where we just need to feel like one with the crap everywhere in the caravan and not even bother cleaning it.
Yeah.
Because
I've got a cold and
Ew, get away from me. Okay, so while we've been where we are in Tumut, we got a few things delivered to the post office. So I can't remember, the first thing was just I think mail for me from my sister. And then we've been having issues with our pillows. We're always searching for like the perfect pillow. And today, Tim and I both got a pillow each. And check this out, right? This is how they come. These tiny little, this is it here. It came in this tiny little package here. And I'm saying to Tim going, are you kidding? Our pillows are both in that.
it's pretty small.
Like that's how it came. It's meant to be, it's pretty small. It's meant to be because it's supposed to contour to your neck and your head. This could be an epic fail of a buy, but I'm hoping that this will be the perfect pillow.
I don't think this is going to work for me. It's too small. That's how small it is.
You've got to give it time to, you've got to leave it out, I think. Did you follow the instructions? I think you're supposed to, I don't know, you're supposed to get it out, let it sit out for ages and let all the air come into it and the support. I have no idea. Anyway, that was definitely not what I was expecting when the pillows arrived, was something that small. Like, that's crazy. Anyway, You look so disappointed.
Well, look how small it is.
But it's not supposed to be
It's like
pillow.
It's like a baby's pillow. I've got a big head.
He's not happy. Anyway, we'll
This
see
is what
how
you
we
get
go.
for buying things on Facebook.
This is the second Facebook fail if this doesn't work for you. I'm not saying it's a fail yet. I'm gonna open mine up and I'm gonna see how it goes for the day. Leave it up and out for the day and we'll see how they go. And if they suck, we need people's opinions and advice on the best pillow to support your neck and your back when you're sleeping. Whether you're a side sleeper, stomach sleeper, whatever, because we need a really good pillow. We've got the bed pretty much down pat now. Now we just got to get our pillows right. Anyway, we're all feeling a little bit worse for wear today. We're a little bit off. I think we're catching Riley's cold that he had. So we're having a down day today and we're still sort of doing brekkie. Millie's been to the vet today. She's got her last little shots and stuff she has to get for a puppy. So I think everything's pretty much intact. Riley was here and has seemed to have somehow disappeared. He's supposed to be doing schoolwork, but once again, all of a sudden he wants to go and play with the dogs because it's a school morning.
Well, it's nice to be outside, finally, after 4 days of sickness. I'm a lot better, but Justine's still pretty crook.
Mm-hmm.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm like 2 days behind everyone, so I look like crap. Anyway, what are we doing tonight?
Well, we're cooking bushfire nachos.
Campfire.
Oh, campfire nachos.
Yeah. This is the cheats version of nachos for us. It's literally whack it all into a pan, chuck it over the coals and cook it up and then just eat out of the pan.
Yeah.
Because we're all too unwell to bother actually cooking properly. But this is like proper cooking, isn't it?
Yeah,
I reckon.
Sounds like it's awesome. We've got an exciting few days planned though, haven't we?
We have, yes.
Yeah.
You got some fun stuff. You and Riley
I do.
going to do something together.
Yeah, it's going to be great. And we head down to, you'll see. You'll see it's coming up.
You shall see. All right, it's time to get on to the nachos, I think.
Yep.
Coals are ready to go. We've had the fire going, dropped it all down, so it's all ready to go. Got everything ready to go. This is for the nachos, but it's also for me. No, it's not rum. That's red wine. I wouldn't put rum in nachos. Anyway, nice spot to be camping.
Went and bought this new pan from the local camping shop. Looking pretty good that day. Sizzling away. Look at you go. Smoky. Meanwhile, back at the zoo. Back at the zoo, you two.
Alright, so we have finished cooking our yummy nachos, campfire nachos. It's a little bit hard to see because we are in the dark, but we've got our little lantern up. But check this out, this is so good. Cooked on the fire. Oh, what have you got? You already got some?
Yeah, I've got to get a plate.
Hot in your mouth, mate. We've got our avocado and a cheese. You got your chips, you happy?
Yep.
I've got to get a plate.
You don't need a plate,
So
you see that dipping straight from the...
Yeah, but I should have gone on a plate just in case.
Oh, you got 2 legs and a heartbeat, off you go.
What?
You go get yourself a plate.
My chip. How am I going
Anyway, this is us for the night.
Yum.
Campfire nachos outside by the fire in the flowing river. Dogs are fed, even though they want our dinner, they're beside us. But anyway, we're going to sit back and enjoy this now.
Yep.
So cute. Good job.
Can I get one, please?
Yeah, just wait till he finishes his little tongue.
I look out across the water, I smell the salt and feel the breeze, but in my heart I hear the calling of my old home, Tennessee. We don't know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow. The sun is gonna rise each and every time, but I've still got Tennessee on my mind. From Reaper's Fork to Watertown, and maybe Johnson City.
So, like every other morning here in Tumut in winter, it started off the same way, foggy. But this morning the fog is nowhere near as thick as what it has been. There's been some mornings where you couldn't literally see like 10 meters in front of you. It's been so thick, but today's been really, really nice. So I think, fingers crossed, we're going to see some sunshine today, which will be amazing. We haven't seen any sunshine for probably a week. Justine and I have been in bed with this flu thing that's been going around. It hasn't been very pleasant, but anyway, feeling a lot better today. We're down here. I'm down here with the dogs, and we're just doing this beautiful walk that takes you along the Tumut River. It starts at the caravan park and ends up down at the Tumut racecourse. The dogs just want to keep going. Ends up down at the Tumut racecourse, and it's just unreal. It goes right along the Tumut River. And as you can see from behind me, and there, have a look at these trees behind me, amazing. The scenery is just spectacular and incredibly dog friendly. Even though the dogs can come off the lead along this walk in the parks, I'm just not letting Millie off right now because she still hasn't quite learnt the return call yet. She seems to come back for Justine, but not for me, so that's okay. So I'm going to take you along on this walk with us, and hopefully I can start to defrost a bit. We'll see in a little bit.